Hello everyone, it is Mrs. Red here from Mrs. Red's. You can hear lots of birds in the background today. It's a beautiful day outside and inside birds are singing. So we're here having a look at what is inside the April 19 Red's art cart. And as always, I love to give you a little tester as to what is inside. This time I have the actual artwork. There we go, cute little size, and if I flip it over you can see that it is actually on postcard paper. So let's go and have a look at what's inside. So here is the contents of the April 19 Red's art cart. Now what we've got here is obviously a watercolour theme. Watercolour paper, some brushes and watercolour pencils. So let's start with the pencils. So I'm not actually going to do a demonstration for you because the demonstration is done in the video of the little cactus being drawn. So I'm just going to quickly explain the products. So the Prismacolors, these come in 12, 24 or 36. Obviously everyone's getting the set of 12. These are a high quality watercolour pencil. So for me personally, I have used a Faber-Castell watercolour pencil for many years, and when I say many, I go back to my teenage years, and absolutely love them. These came a very close second. I was really impressed with these. A very soft, very smooth and really vibrant colour as soon as you put the water to it. So a set of 12, nice little colour range there. You can see some of the colours have got quite bled down and bled onto there. That's just because of the way I was using the brush onto the pencil, which you'll see in that video. So beautiful set of watercolour pencils to use. The brushes is just one of the Art Supplier brands, Art Basics. They are a economical brush for acrylic, watercolour and gouache. And again, really happy to use these. They have not frayed, fluffed out, anything like that. I was really happy with them. Usually you should never leave your brushes in water. If you do, it can cause them to crack. These ones weren't left in water and I'm happy to say they haven't cracked either. But yeah, really nice brushes to use. And then the watercolour paper, I have put this in a cart, I think it was the very first Red's art cart, so almost 2 years ago. These little postcards are fantastic because I was just making sure I didn't have a grotty page just then. They have you can actually do little artworks and then post them off to someone. So I could actually post this little watercolour off if I wanted to, if I so wished. And you're getting 15 sheets in that little pad. 300 GSM. So excellent to use. Now the one thing I do want to quickly mention in this as well, if I can find where I've put it. Oh, here it is here. So this was my little test sheet of the colours. So I do recommend you do this as well. You don't have to necessarily do it on the watercolour paper. I have, but just look at your colours as opposed to just seeing them there, because a couple of the colours probably rang true for this artwork as opposed to some that didn't. So I don't think I used this green. Felt it was a little bit unnatural. But did, and it's not really obvious here, but I have blended two colours together to try and get a purple. It doesn't look like it at all there, but it was done. So have a little bit of an experiment as well with your pencils, just to see the colour that they will create, and also when you're mixing a few colours. There was no purple in this, so that's why I was trying to make a purple. There's no white pencil in this as well. There would be in the 24. So with that being said, please have a look at the artwork video of the cactus being drawn up and painted. There's the little social media card for Instagram and Facebook. When you have done your artwork, please take a photo of it and throw it on social media. It always helps with the art subscription box. and I look forward to seeing what my art carters create with this gorgeous little April themed cart. So until next time, happy drawing and painting, I guess, and look forward to seeing your results on social media. Bye.